It's AumSum time!
What if McDonald's disappeared?
Yippee! Now I will start selling AumSum finger chips worldwide.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, McDonald's serves over 69 million customers daily. If McDonald's disappeared, people may start cooking again. Secondly, if McDonald's disappeared, people would still dream of eating those world-famous French fries. Thirdly, if McDonald's disappeared, people will miss taking selfies with the primary mascot of McDonald's. Fourthly, McDonald's has more than 37,000 outlets in over 100 countries. If McDonald's disappeared, many prime commercial estates will be up for grabs. Fifthly, McDonald's employs more than 1.7 million people. If McDonald's disappeared, unemployment figures will skyrocket. Lastly, if McDonald's disappeared, competitors of McDonald's will be one happy lot. What if France disappeared?
Oh no! France was going to award me for my immense contribution to education.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, more than 7 million people visit Eiffel Tower each year. If France disappeared, looking at Eiffel Tower pictures may be the only option left. Secondly, France is the most visited country in the world in terms of tourism. If France disappeared, worldwide tourism may be severely hit. Thirdly, Louvre Museum is the world's largest art museum. If France disappeared, art lovers will be severely disappointed. Fourthly, Tour de France is a world-famous bicycle race held in France. If France disappeared, cycling enthusiasts will become extremely sad. Fifthly, Paris is regarded as the world's fashion capital. If France disappeared, fashionistas, as in devoted followers of fashion, will be very disappointed. Lastly, French cheese is famous worldwide. If France disappeared, cheese lovers will be one sad lot. What if paintings disappeared?
Oh no! My world-famous paintings will also disappear!
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if paintings disappeared, some people might fill up the empty space left behind by hanging their own selfies. Secondly, if paintings disappeared, art collectors may find themselves in a big financial crunch. Thirdly, paintings are an extremely important attraction within museums. If paintings disappeared, many museums may have to shut down. Fourthly, many people use paintings as decorative pieces in their homes. If paintings disappeared, we may have to think hard about what to replace them with. Fifthly, if paintings disappeared, world-famous paintings like Mona Lisa, The Last Supper, etc. will be sorely missed by many people. Sixthly, if paintings disappeared, technology might solve the problem. Digital alternatives may become extremely popular. Lastly, if paintings disappeared, sale of brushes as well as other painting-related material will plummet. What if pink color disappeared?
No problem. Take some ink and drop letter P inside it. Done.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, many flowers in nature are pink in color. If pink color disappeared, there will be a severe shortage of flowers all around. Secondly, if pink color disappeared, world-famous flamingos, which are pink in color, will also disappear. Thirdly, if pink color disappeared, onions will also disappear. Many of our favorite dishes may not taste that good anymore. Fourthly, if pink color disappeared, domesticated pigs will also disappear. Only way of locating them would be by hearing their squealing sound. Fifthly, many items in a makeup kit are pink in color. If pink color disappeared, husbands will be extremely delighted. Lastly, if pink color disappeared, Fashion designers will be aghast as pink is an exquisite color which many designers love to use in their designs. What if brown color disappeared?
Oh no, I should eat all my cookies first.
AumSum. Firstly, if brown color disappeared, trees will start looking funny as leaves will appear to be hanging mid-air. Secondly, if brown color disappeared, wooden furniture will also disappear. Our rooms may start looking messy again. Thirdly, if brown color disappeared, brown bears will not be visible anymore. People who often go camping will be extremely concerned. Fourthly, if brown color disappeared, most of the chocolates will not be visible anymore. Chocoholics will be severely disappointed. Fifthly, if brown color disappeared, coffee beans will not be visible anymore. Coffee lovers might finally start drinking tea. Sixthly, if brown color disappeared, soil will not be visible anymore. Farming will get extremely difficult. Lastly, if brown color disappeared, dried leaves will not be visible anymore. Autumns will look very different indeed. What if carpets disappeared?
No problem. I have my car and my pets, as in carpets.
AumSum. Firstly, if carpets disappeared, Aladdin will be extremely disappointed as he will no longer be able to fly on his magic carpet. Secondly, carpets tend to absorb sound. If carpets disappeared, we may have to live in a noisier environment. Thirdly, if carpets disappeared, incidents of people slipping and falling might increase. Fourthly, carpets provide warmth during winters. If carpets disappeared, winters may feel more chilly. Fifthly, if carpets disappeared, sale of vacuum cleaners designed for cleaning carpets will plummet. Sixthly, carpets are comfortable to sleep in. If carpets disappeared, people may not sleep on the floor anymore. Seventhly, if carpets disappeared, demand for alternative flooring options as in concrete, wood, and tiles will skyrocket. Lastly, if carpets disappeared, five-star hotels with lavish, expensive carpets may lose their charm. What if gold color disappeared?
Oh no, what will happen to my gold crown?
AumSum. Firstly, if gold color disappeared, people who have had gold teeth installed may stop smiling while taking selfies. Secondly, if gold color disappeared, people with golden hair may have no option but to apply a different color to their hair. Thirdly, if gold color disappeared, antique gold pieces will also disappear. Many museums may have to shut down. Fourthly, if gold color disappeared, gold jewelry will also disappear. Sale of fake jewelry will start skyrocketing. Fifthly, if gold color disappeared, gold reserves will also suddenly disappear. Many countries may suddenly become poor. Sixthly, if gold color disappeared, gold mining will get extremely difficult. Many gold mines may close down. Lastly, if gold color disappeared, popularity of silver may increase manyfold. Its price will skyrocket. What if silver color disappeared?
Oh no, what will happen to all my silver trophies?
AumSum. Firstly, if silver color disappeared, people owning silver coins may see their economic status drop substantially. Secondly, if silver color disappeared, silver-colored forks and spoons will also disappear. People may resort to eating by hand. Thirdly, if silver color disappeared, statues made of silver will also disappear. museums may come up with fresh ideas to attract people. Fourthly, if silver color disappeared, people owning authentic silver jewelry may have to visit artificial jewelry shops. Fifthly, if silver color disappeared, platinum, which also appears silverish in color, may also disappear. Sixthly, silver is used in mirrors as it is highly reflective. If silver color disappeared, we may not be able to see ourselves in mirrors anymore. Lastly, if silver color disappeared, people having silver dental fillings may have to urgently visit a dentist. What if white color disappeared?
Oh no! What will happen to my beautiful white teeth?
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if white color disappeared, our teeth will also disappear. People may stop taking selfies. Secondly, if white color disappeared, white hair will also disappear. Old people will suddenly appear bald. Thirdly, if white color disappeared, white clothes will also disappear. There will be a shopping frenzy everywhere. Fourthly, if white color disappeared, white buildings and cars will also disappear. Our cities will change overnight. Fifthly, if white color disappeared, snow will also disappear. Winters will not be the same anymore. Sixthly, if white color disappeared, paper will not be visible anymore. Newspapers as well as books might become unreadable. Seventhly, if white color disappeared, clouds will also disappear. Our skies will lose their charm. Lastly, if white color disappeared, white marble will also disappear. Lavish hotels may have to lower their rates. What if orange color disappeared?
Oh no! Now what will I wear?
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if orange color disappeared, sunsets will not look that attractive anymore. Famous sunset points worldwide may lose their charm. Secondly, if orange color disappeared, oranges will not be visible anymore. People who love oranges may have to change their eating habits. Thirdly, if orange color disappeared, the magnificence of fall or autumn season will be severely affected. Tourism may come down drastically. Fourthly, since ages, orange and black have been the traditional colors of Halloween. If orange color disappeared, people may have no choice but to choose a different color. Fifthly, if orange color disappeared, fire will not be visible anymore. This could lead to very dangerous situations. Lastly, if orange color disappeared, tigers will not be visible anymore. This may neither prove to be good news for other animals nor for humans. What if gray color disappeared?
Oh no! What will happen to my huge coin collection?
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if gray color disappeared, happiness of people whose hair has just started turning gray may know no bounds. Secondly, if gray color disappeared, cement roads, bridges may also disappear. Traffic in cities will be in complete chaos. Thirdly, if gray color disappeared, old pictures as well as movies will also disappear. Precious memories will be lost. Fourthly, if gray color disappeared, coins will also disappear. People collecting antique coins will be severely disappointed. Fifthly, if gray color disappeared, moon, which also appears grayish, may also disappear. Sixthly, if gray color disappeared, smoke will also disappear. People may not notice things burning anymore. Lastly, if gray color disappeared, elephants will also disappear. National parks may lose their charm. On the flip side, if gray color disappeared, air pollution will not be visible anymore.